In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change template in Constant Contact. To get started, make sure you are signed in to your Constant Contact account and you are on the main dashboard. The template you choose controls the overall layout and style of your email, so picking the right one first can save you time later. Constant Contact has a template library with different designs for newsletters, announcements, events, and more, so you can choose something that matches your message. Begin by going to the Campaigns area. Look for Campaigns in the main navigation, then select Create. This is the starting point for building a new campaign draft, and it is where you decide what type of content you want to send. Next, when you see the options for what to create, select Email. This tells Constant Contact you are building an email campaign, which will open the email creation flow and lead you to the template library. If you have used other campaign types before, like social posts or events, this is the key place to choose email so you land in the correct editor. Now you will choose a new template from the library. Take a moment to scan the available designs and pick one that fits your goal. Focus on the structure as much as the look. For example, if you need a strong headline and a clear call to action, choose a template with a prominent header area and a button section. If your email will include multiple updates, a multi-section newsletter layout can make your content easier to read. Choosing a layout that matches your content helps reduce editing and keeps the email clean and consistent. Once you have found the template you want to use, click Select. This will create a new draft email based on that template, and you will be ready to start adding your own content and customizing the design. After you select the template, you can typically adjust things like colors, fonts, images, and sections inside the editor. But the important part is that your new draft begins with the template you picked from the library. That covers everything you need to know.